Welcome to the CDMS Vision tutorial on how to create a crop protection chemical work order. In this tutorial, we will cover how to create on-label crop protection recommendations while working from your mobile device. Prior to beginning, the following items need to be set up. One user that is designated a fieldman. Retailers must have a branch, grower, farm, field, and a block with an active season. Growers must have a grower, farm, field, and a block with an active season. Begin by signing into Vision. If you do not already have a username and password, please contact the CDMS Service Center at 1-866-236-7435. On the Vision home screen, tap the Field Applications icon. Once on the Select Order screen, retailers will see selection buttons for branch, grower, and farm, while growers will see selection buttons for grower and farm. Tap the various buttons and make your selections from the drop-down boxes to navigate to the correct farm for which you would like to write a crop protection work order. Tap the New Order button, then Crop Protection. On the Define Order screen, be sure to review all selections currently displayed under the Site section. You can change any category as needed by selecting the button or box next to the category title. To select your field block and fieldman, tap the buttons to choose from the drop-down lists. The field and block drop-downs will automatically filter to include only the fields and blocks that contain an active season. The start date and time will automatically default to the current date and time. To adjust, tap the date to access the drop-down calendar. Enter the start time by making a selection from the drop-down box. The time is displayed in military time. Next is the Application section. If you already have templates created, you can select your templates here. How to create a template will be covered later in this tutorial. If you're not using a template, select the Applicator button. Internal applicators can be set up in your advisor account. External applicators are commercial applicators that provide services in your area. Select from the drop-down list or contact CDMS to add an external applicator. The timing is a key entry. This timing will narrow the product search to only those that are labeled for the timing selected. Be sure to select the appropriate timing. Next, define your gallons per acre. If applying by band, enter the bandwidth in inches. Tap the Select Product button. Select a use from the All Uses drop-down box. You can tap the search icon next to the products box and it will search the database for all products that fit the use criteria. Or type in the first 3 letters of the product you want and then tap the search icon. You may also enter a target pest. Select the product by tapping on the name. Select the intended use from the Use Selection box. Repeat this process for any products you would like in the tank mix. From the Define Order screen, enter the product rate by tapping on the product name and then entering the rate and unit of measure. Repeat this process for all products in the crop protection order. Before tapping the Save button, there are 3 other tabs that provide functionality. The first is the Recipients tab. This tab enables adding recipients to receive an email of your work order. Tap the Recipients tab, then tap the Add Recipient button. Enter an email address and select OK. Repeat to add multiple email recipients. To include notes about the order, tap on Notes, then the Add Notes Criteria button. Add any desired notes and then tap OK. The Mode of Action tab will indicate the mode of action of each product in the tank mix and provide a total modes of action at the bottom of the page. This is a handy reference when monitoring products for resistance management. When you are ready to proceed, you have the option to tap the Save Template button. This will save the application as a template for future use. If you choose to save a template, you will be prompted to add a description. Type in the descriptions and then tap OK. This will allow you to select this template anytime in the future, and the products will be populated automatically with the same rates that you have defined. Once complete, tap the Save button. The contents of the crop protection work order will be checked with the manufacturer-approved data in the CDMS product database. If there are conflicts with the label information or special instructions, questions will appear on the screen for your input. Once the checking is complete, you have successfully created a crop protection work order. You will be presented with a recommendation or work order preview screen. To email the document to the added recipients, tap Close and Send, or tap Close to return to the crop protection work order screen. Optional documents can be previewed and emailed for each crop protection work order. Please reference our work order documents tutorial for additional information. You should now be able to create a crop protection work order as well as create and save a template. This concludes the CDMS Vision tutorial. For more information or questions, please refer to our other tutorial videos on YouTube or contact CDMS Customer Service Center. Thank you.